Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Raj Malakar and I'm representing Golden Flames India. In the previous volume, we have discussed about categories of asset management in our real world and type of asset management which are being managed by individual or entity for business or job purpose. And also we discussed how financial asset management is being measured in a nation and its parameters. Now in today's video, I'm going to represent asset management on real estate and how can be a portfolio made on real estate investment based on their implication in economy and financial sector. So asset management on real estate. Unlike gold, real estate is a local asset. It cannot be transported and its value is driven by local factors. At times of uncertainty about the economy, like we can say the recessionary situation, people prefer to postpone real estate purchases and as a consequence, real estate prices weaken. As the economy improves, real estate prices also tend to keep pace. As per the real estate, residential or commercial development, we can summarize the important point such as when money is cheap and easily available, more people buy real estate. This pushes up real estate values. Rise in interest rates therefore softens the real estate market. Real estate analysts are expert in assessing the future price direction of different kind of real estate and structuring exposure to them. That's how real estate values being determined whether it is residential or commercial, infrastructural, warehouse or retail. The composition of the portfolio is the most important driver of returns in a schema. Whether consumer is preferring their investment into what type of real estate exposure. The next is the intermediation chain of real estate agents is largely unrecognized in India. Costs are very high in case of registration, stamp duties and fees, etc. Now this regulatory risk is very high in real estate, as is the risk of litigation and other encumbrances. In the current situation, real estate companies have been organized and developed many funds and schemes which directly connected to particular development of real estate. Real estate is a high volatile asset class where investors' amount is blocked for a certain point of time, as like gold, and return would be based on the economic scenario of a particular nation. Although appreciation or depreciation of the value is depend on local infrastructure and consumer demand. Real estate is a purely international asset class. In India, real estate funds and schemes are now being monitored and regulated by REIT, that is the Real Estate Investment Trust. Land and construction development are being monitored by CREDAI, that is Confederation of Real Estate Developers Association of India. All kinds of real estate registration and development with laws and regulation are being operated by RERA, that is the Real Estate Regulatory Authority. So it is now become more transparent and compete in terms of security. So based on the discussed points, now we can identify the real estate investment opportunities in some categories, which are: number 1, direct investment in land and property. Number 2, investment through real estate group such as REIT or regularized real estate group. The next is investment through real estate fund or schemes. Those are basically monitored by SEBI or REIT and available on online basis through registered broker house. So the next point is investment through rental property or construction based on property. Next is investment through commercial or infrastructure based real estate asset. Generally, these investments are done through large amount of corporate body such as INVIT, that's the Infrastructure Investment Trust. This type of investment are luxury investment. Now the next point is retail or direct investors can aim for small real estate fund, whether it is a domestic or international, which can be benefited on long-term basis. So we have got a brief idea on real estate investment and real estate development exposures around the financial sector. Though real estate investment needs lot of education and studies before investment on particular asset class. Some of the key takeaways we can mention in real estate investment such as A. Corporate plan, B. Market research, and C. Good network in terms of referral sources. Now, this is all for today's real estate asset management volume. Hope you guys have enjoyed the information. In our next video, we will come up with another asset management with more detailed information. Till that time, stay tuned. Cheers and be at home, be safe.